Saturday of the long weekend, and I'm here to move this big pile of brush. So this is a kids camp. That's not too far from where I live. I actually went here when I was a kid a couple times. So Dad's done the tree work in here for years, and they want this big pile of brush cleaned up, and some of it's kind of dead, and Dad didn't want to chip it because it's hard on the knives of the chipper. So that'll be a good job for the grapple. Dad's on his way here. He's got the dump trailer, so we'll get all this cleaned up. That'll be looking a lot better. We've got the big canoe in the water. This thing's sweet. I remember riding this as a kid. I don't know how many people it hold. About that many, I guess. It's pretty cool when you get a bunch of kids in there and then you all paddle as fast as you can. And they always go around and do a loop around the big island out there. All right, enough looking around. Let's get to work. This is quite the tangled mess. 2 loads in the dump trailer so far. I'm just kind of combing through this. I'm trying to get most of it picked up as I go, because if not, it just gets squished into the ground. So that's working not too bad. I've put a pretty good dent in that pile so far. We'll just keep working away. That was 4 scoops and that one are 4 grapples. Well, there's what we're left with. 9 or 10 loads?
10.
10. Well, there you go. I'll get this all shoved back. There we go. Got that all shoved up. That's good.